Hello and welcome back to our channel. I believe you're doing well and having a nice experience learning how to trade Forex. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to deposit onto your Deriv live account. So when you come to your back office, if you have not created many wallets, you will definitely have to add. Okay, this is add money, which therefore means you can deposit into this account, which is the dollar account. So we're going to add more wallets here. Okay, so I prefer using a stable coin, which is this one, the TUSD. This is what you should add. This is what I prefer because it's a stable coin and it's easy to easily have that. So let's head on and click on that. We'll click on the plus sign there. And perfect. Just say your TUSD wallet is ready right here. Okay, so you just hit the back button one more time. So they will now ask you to either deposit now or later. So if you want to deposit now, you can click on deposit now, but for the purpose of this, we'll take later. Okay, after that being done, you can now see that you have two deposit options right here, right? So you can go ahead and add more deposit options if you want them. Okay, but for me, I always use the Tether and the mobile wallet. So let's go back to more and add more wallets. So that's it. We click on more wallets, and here you can decide to use this, the ones you added here. Okay, or you can decide to use a payment agent, and you can also decide to use a P2P method to deposit. Okay, as well as you can also use bank wired. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, we'll end right here. So we'll take a step back and we're here. So we are going to select TUSD as a deposit method. Okay, so head on and click on that. Now say no transaction found, right? So you head on and click on this deposit right here. Okay, when you click on deposit, you have this. We selected TUSDT as a deposit method, right? So you have to copy this wallet address here, and you also make sure you read the terms here to avoid all errors that will cause you to lose your money.